Okay, we are at the Buddha here in Hua Hin, and looks like it's maybe sealed up a little bit. We'll go for a bit of a walk just to have a look up the stairs. Fantastic stonework and some topiary there. Looks like maybe an elephant they've carved there. Some other sort of figures have been sort of topiaried up with the hedges there. There's my Mr. Tuk Tuk man. He's going to take me to the palace shortly. We'll go for a quick walk up and back, and then we'll keep on our journey. So here we go. Up the stairs. It's probably a bit glary. And had a few sherbets last night, so that walk was surprisingly difficult. It's not a good thing. Got your chimes here. You can make your offerings. Here you can ring the bell. That's an impressive Buddha. It really is. There's obviously a bit of work happening there, restoring it. And here we are. Fantastic.